So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a quadratic by completing the square. So, as you may have guessed from the title, the first step is going to be completing the square. That is just writing the quadratic in a form. Sorry about all this here. That's just not working out. In the form of x plus or minus a number squared plus or minus another number, like x minus 9 plus squared plus 20, for example. Okay. So now, starting here, you can see here I've got an x squared plus 6x. So, when this here, I'm going to be looking to write this as a square plus a number. Well, I for a fact know that x plus 3 squared equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. So, therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 11 equals this plus 2, or just x plus 3 squared plus 2. Okay, so now this is just going to come out like x plus 3 close bracket squared plus 2 equals 0. Right, so now I'm going to look to solve this. So got an x plus 3 squared equals minus 2. So x plus 3 equals plus or minus root negative 2. And that is, so I'm just taking the square root of a negative number here, which may alarm me, but we're just using complex numbers, so that's. And now I'm going to subtract the 3 from both sides, so I've got x equals minus 3 plus or minus root minus 2. Well, like I covered in my simplifying surds video, root negative 2 is just root negative 1 times root 2. And root negative 1, I know this is perfect notation as some pure mathematicians might argue, but I'm going to say that root negative 1's I for the purposes of this. So equals minus 3 plus or minus I root 2. Okay, so that was how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square when it's got complex solutions. Thank you.